St Lucie County is a dream destination for families who love water. From our beautiful beaches to taking boat tours of the intercoastal to watch for dolphins, to sunsets in one of our many parks overlooking the water. There's no end of activities available for families of any age. Today, we decided to be tourists in our own beautiful St. Lucie County, and we are going to take you with us for a day of fun in our beautiful waters. So, grab your sunscreen, your bathing suits, and let's have fun. Come along, we have a lot to show you. Florida Family Insiders. Every day is an adventure.
I don't know.
Where are we today? We are starting our day with Captain Adam at Dolphin Watch Tours in Fort Pierce, Florida. We're about to see our first dolphin sighting of the day, and we're very excited.
All their dorsal fin are somewhat unique. That's how we identify them. They'll photograph the fin. They have dorsal fin recognition program. Once they identify them, they can sort of keep
That's
track
amazing.
of where they're moving.
What do you think, Kelly?
That's it?
32 feet of water. Pretty much a lake out there. No waves today.
Beautiful.
Water's starting to clear up. This is the time of year when you start to see the treasure divers out here.
Yeah, I told you, Ian.
Treasure Coast.
We are in a spacious pontoon boat that can take up to 6 people on a 2-hour tour of the Indian River Lagoon, where you can see dolphins, seabirds, manatees, ocean life of all kinds, in comfort while learning the history of the area with an experienced captain. It is an absolutely beautiful day, and as you can see, the kids and my husband are having a blast, as am I. This is a truly beautiful way to explore the waters of St. Lucie County. This tour is very family friendly, and all ages are welcome aboard. This is a selfie worth backdrop for sure. Don't forget to hashtag Visit St. Lucie with your favorite vacation shots.
Land has already been reclaimed here. Big 6 to 8 foot drop off there in South Jetty's Park.
There is a lot going on in the distance, and we are learning so much about the Indian River Lagoon and the surrounding areas.
Right there.
Yeah, there he is. Oh my goodness.
There's one of them now.
Do you see the dolphin, guys?
All their dorsal fin are somewhat unique. That's how we identify them. They'll photograph the fin. They have dorsal fin recognition program. Once they identify them, they can sort of keep track of
Oh my goodness.
where they're moving.
There are numerous floating islands in the Indian River Lagoon. Many of them are equipped with picnic tables, grills, and are perfect for exploring by boat, kayak, canoe, or wave runner. You can find rentals for these close by, and as Ian says, make it an adventure. Captain Adam knows exactly where you want to get lunch, so make sure when you visit that you ask him his favorite dining locations. You will always get better information from a local who knows their stuff. This is such a beautiful way to spend the morning, and it's a great way to reconnect after a busy work week with your family. Killy is getting into the pirate spirit, and you can too.
What are you?
The Treasure Coast is known for the shipwrecks that left real treasure at the bottom of the ocean off our coast.
They are.
And people come from all over the world to find it. We had an amazing time on the Dolphin Watch boat tour. Now, on to our next family-friendly location. Thanks, Captain Adam. Here we are at Jaycee Park in Fort Pierce, Florida. What makes this place special is its proximity to the water. The first time we came here, we saw dolphins jumping over the water, and it really left an impression on us. We are meeting our friends here, Ian, Sean, Jennifer, and Rona, to check out the 3-story playground. There is also a splash pad, a smaller toddler playground, and places to sit, eat, and relax. This is one of our favorite parks in the area, and it's a great place to catch the sunset.
Whee!
When I say Jaycee Park is on the water, I mean it is on water. On one side is the Indian River Lagoon, and when you cross the street, you're right on the ocean. This is a beautiful place to spend the day and watch the sunset. But we aren't done yet.
You never swim towards it, you swim against it. You swim parallel. Then you swim sideways. Rip current, you swim sideways.
After a beautiful day of looking for dolphins on a private tour of the Indian River Lagoon and playing with our friends at Jaycee Park, where are we going to see the sunset and end our family water day in St. Lucie County? Dollman Beach is a beautiful natural beach surrounded by sable palms, sea grapes, muscadine grapes, and gentle dunes. This is one of many beautiful beaches in St. Lucie County and one of my family's favorites. The beaches here are pristine. Can you imagine a better view? With the sun setting in the west, it casts a gentle pastel glow to the area, and it is truly special. There were some storms earlier in the day and in the distance, so it left us with a beautiful rainbow over the beach for our entire visit. This is the perfect place to look for shells, take photographs, or just enjoy the water. There's plenty of space to pick the perfect place to lay your towel and relax. This is St. Lucie County. We had a beautiful day, exploring just a few of the many things you can do as a family in St. Lucie County's waters. With over 30 public beaches and parks nearby, there is absolutely something for everyone. You can check out all of these places and more on visitstlucie.com.
Let me see. Show me. Show me.
And also find Visit St. Lucie on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You will find places to visit, places to stay, eat, and play, all at your fingertips, and can even request a visitor's guide. Time for us to head home. We've had quite a day. So, see you next time. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Florida Family Insiders fun. Until next time.